Peeps, we are back at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and as you can see, we're actually here on the last day of howl-o-scream, November 3rd. Now, we're actually not here for that. We've attended howl-o-scream. We've shared some great experiences with you. Hopefully you've enjoyed those videos. But we're here to focus on the future today. We're here to check out the current construction of the Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge. This guy also has red eyes, but we're not here to see you. Next year, howl-o-scream 26. Interesting note is that some howl-o-scream stuff is already down. The Ripper Row archways that you walk through are already taken down. I guess they're starting to prep for this year's Christmastown event. Very exciting. It'll be Christmastown 15 years. We actually did a video about it. I'll talk about that. Whoa. What is this? Oh, okay. It's just original Big Bad Wolf merchandise. Well, not original, but it's not for the new ride. I just got distracted. I saw the Big Bad Wolf. Had to come check it out. But this is not new merchandise. Still cool. Okay, so like we were saying, Christmastown, 15 years. We'll talk about that at the end of the video, but we have done our annual guide to everything coming to this year's event, and we'll link that at the end of this video so you can check it out. But still, howl-o-scream for one more day. Not by the time you're watching this. So for today, we go straight because we are going to hit Tweedside Station here in Scotland, and that's where we will load on the train to check out Big Bad Wolf construction. I think one thing we can be very sure of is that when Big Bad Wolf comes next year, we'll see a new Big Bad Wolf flavor in the Coca-Cola style freestyle machines. We'll probably see a Big Bad Wolf beer from Virginia Beer Company. I'm very much looking forward to those next year. All right, it's train time. Oh, the Christmas lights are on it for the Christmastown Express.
Please do not try to exit the train or get out and leave the rest of the road. Please do not get out or try to exit the train and leave the rest of the road.
So we are on the train right now, and while we make our way to the next train station, I want to talk a little bit about Member Appreciation Weekend. We are not here in town for Member Appreciation Weekend, but if you are a member and you come for that Appreciation Weekend, they have a free quick queue to be one of the first riders of Big Bad Wolf. I mean, it's not like get first ride, but it's when you get a chance to ride it, you will have a quick queue available to you if you're a member, which is pretty awesome. They're also going to have a town hall where they'll talk about more of what's coming in 2025, which is the 50th anniversary of Busch Gardens Williamsburg, which is pretty exciting. That's one of the reasons Big Bad Wolf coming back is such a big deal, because 50 years. Oh, look. They've got the lights set up for the Christmastown Express. So I've got up on the screen right here all the cool stuff that's coming to Member Appreciation Weekend. They're going to have a little bit of a preview of some Christmastown shows, live music, the town hall that I mentioned, some member benefits if you're a member. So if you're a member, definitely come check it out. Let us know how it is, because unfortunately we will be out of town and unable to attend. Okay, here is what we came to see. We are almost at Big Bad Wolf construction, but before, we've got some lighting set up for Christmas Town. And over beyond it, the construction begins, or continues, I should say, on Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge. You can see we've got some footers already set up, like last time. Very exciting. So much is coming, guys. But more importantly, on this side, in addition to the footers, we've got the Bavarian Village going up that you're going to swoop around on the Big Bad Wolf.
You can celebrate Oktoberfest year-round at Busch Gardens. Grab a pretzel and beer at Dalsfest.
All right, as we make our way past where the station will be, I hear rumors that we might get a glimpse of some of that red track. Let's see. There it is.
With a daring 88-foot plunge towards the Rhine River that will leave you breathless.
No, it's nice.
Bear, 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 bear. So as we pass by Verbolten, a thought occurs to me that Big Bad Wolf, when it opens up, will be the 10th operating roller coaster in this park, which is crazy to me. I remember when I think it was like Fear the 4 or Fear the 5 years ago, and that was the number of roller coasters they have, and now they're about to have 10. That really makes this a destination park if you are a thrill lover and a roller coaster rider. I'm very curious to see, as 2026 comes along, if we're going to start getting more non-coaster themed rides announced, in the coming years, because there's a decent amount of real estate that's available for non-coaster rides, and so it'd be great to see some more diversity in the new stuff that's being built in the park. So we can't see it, but back there is what we were just showing you, where the construction is for the Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge. It's a cool name for a roller coaster. I kind of wish they'd just gone with Revenge of the Big Bad Wolf. A few less words, gets the same point across, but still cool. I'm glad they're bringing back the Big Bad Wolf as the name of this coaster instead of kind of going a different way like they were considering. But hopefully you like this brief look at the construction and where Big Bad Wolf is. It should be opening up in 2025. Very much looking forward to coming here. Of course, we will bring you along with us. We'll bring you along for more construction updates and more official announcements, and whatever Busch Gardens chooses to share with us, we will share with you. So thank you all for watching. If you liked this brief update video, give us a thumbs up on this video. It lets us know you want to see more Big Bad Wolf content. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can see that content and be notified of it when it comes out. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh wait, one more thing. Busch Gardens Williamsburg Christmas Town starts in just a few weeks. And of course, we will be there, and we will have limited edition IOM Geek Christmas stickers with us. So if you see us, come up to us, say hi while supplies last. If you ask for one, we'll give you one. And if we run out, we still have some of the original IOM Geek stickers available to us. Next year, we will have IOM Geek Halloween stickers and maybe something special for Big Bad Wolf. You never know. So always keep an eye out for us in the parks, and if we have stickers, ask for one. Thanks, guys.